Guten Tag. I'm Hélène Nicolet from Geneva, Switzerland. I'm very pleased to be part of that special day called Fachtag Rhythmik, Musik und Bewegung. I'm a Dalcroze teacher in Geneva in the professional training for different type of classes, but today I wanted to show you the connection between eurythmics, solfège and improvisation. The students you will see are 4 students from the master level. They are not my regular students, but they were happy to join me for that session. It's a work in progress because they have discovered the topics the day we were doing the video. We will show you some ways of exploring the 5 beats in different domains and making links between those different approaches. As a warm-up, we use the recorded music to feel the 5 in the body, the beats by walking them, the division by clapping them on the body, and the entire measure as a global movement. Then we also practice the augmentation and the diminution. The tempo primo twice faster or twice slower. Now we are exploring the 5 beats in augmentation and division while conducting with the arms and stepping the values. According to the tempo, the arm will adapt their movement in space. For the tempo primo, it's going to be a middle-size arm beat. And for the augmentation, it's going to be a big-size arm beat. Now we are practicing the same exercise, but we are doing it in canon with the piano. In the fast tempo, you may notice that we need to work on the quality of the arm beats gesture. We can apply those principles in improvisation. Our students are using piano improvisation as well as other instruments, but today you will discover piano applications. For example, a conductor can show different areas in the space, and the pianist has to adapt the speeds in the music. You will notice that the other students are clapping in their hands in order to support the pianist, but also to be actively participating to the exercise. Let's practice now some rhythmic patterns. First, the student step the pattern in the tempo primo. Hip means twice faster and hop means twice slower until the signal back. Here again, we can adapt some of the patterns in the piano improvisation. The pianist follows what is shown on the board and combines them as a music piece. Let's make connections with solfège. So solfège in Geneva is considered as the fixed dose system. We are using the modes to combine them with the different 5 beats speeds. Mixolydian is for the tempo primo. The Phrygian mode is for the augmentation. And the Lydian mode is for the diminution. At this stage, it's important to work by pairs to support each other, because it's not so easy to recognize the mode that is played at the piano. Here we can also adapt the exercise in a canon. The piano plays, the students listen, and then they apply what has been heard before. We end with a theme that is played by the piano. We start to sing the theme and conduct. We can also clap it or step it. At the end, we can also use the different speeds according to the different modes. We start by the Mixolydian mode, then we have the Lydian mode, back to Mixolydian, and then Phrygian. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation, and I'm happy to answer questions now or later. You can write me on the email written on the screen. Thank you for your attention and goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen.
Mia. Suen. Alba. Arthur.